What happened when the shellfish tried to break dance? Go.
Go.
Keep your elbows on the floor, honey. He pulled a muscle. M-U-S-S-E-L. Like muscle that you eat. Right, come on. Why did the crow sit on the telephone line?
Is this a bad one?
Yeah.
Can you guess it?
Maybe.
Most likely no, though.
Most likely no.
How long do I have to do this?
Couple more laps.
How many is a couple?
2.
So here and back.
No, come on.
Oh, over
Just
there.
one
Keep
lap.
keep
Come.
going.
Yeah, come on. So he can make a long distance call. Go back.
No one's gonna guess that.
Why do you? This one is easy. What do you call a grizzly bear with no teeth?
I know.
Go. Go, Aiden.
Is this what we call Linus?
Go.
We called Linus this before.
What? Keep your elbows down on the ground.
Toothless bear. Close.
A gummy bear?
A gummy bear.
Gummy bear.
That's what we call